All right, number 36. In triangle RST above, point W not shown lies on RT. What is the value of cosine angle RSW minus sine of angle WST? Okay, so we know point W is on RT. We don't know exactly where it is, but let's just say if it's something like this. Okay, this is W, and then we draw a line straight down here. Oops. Okay, we draw it straight down. You see the angle RSW, that will be, so we're starting from R to point S and to point W. So this is the angle that we're talking about. Okay, this is angle RSW. And then angle WST, we go from W to S to T. So this will be the angle WST. Okay. Right. So this is trigonometry. Okay, so I had to find the cosine of this angle minus sine of the other angle. And what happens here is if we use like a right triangle, so we can solve like this is 512 and this will be 13. Right? We use Pythagorean theorem, and then we could try to break it up into different number and test it out, okay, using definition of cosine sine. But it will be rather complex and will be difficult to do, okay, because we don't know what this side is, right? So it'd be really difficult to set up, okay. So what happens here is, for this question, it's better if we know a rule, okay, that will make it easier to solve. So the rule is this: if we have two angles add to 90 degrees, okay, two angles are add to 90 degrees, then cosine of one angle is equal to the sine of the other angle. Okay, right? Cosine one angle equal to sine of the other angle, or you can say sine of one angle equal to cosine of the other angle. Okay, so it's called the complement angles rule. So if you have two angles add to be 90, so complementary angle. Okay, so let's just say this: if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then sine of A is always equal to cosine of B. Okay, sine of A equal to cosine of B. So if the two angles have to be 90, sine of one angle equal to cosine of the other. Okay, or you can say cosine of A equal to sine of B, same thing. So pretty much what we have here is these two angles, see, they have to be 90 degrees, right? Okay, because we have a little, you see the 90-degree angle mark there, right? So we split it. No matter how we split this, these two angles have to be 90 degrees. Okay, if they have to be 90 degrees, that means what? It means cosine of this angle and the sine of this angle, they should be the same. Okay, we don't know exactly what the number is, but we know they should be the same. And if you have the same number subtracting each other, what do we get? And then they will subtract each other out, right? So this should be 0. Okay, because there will be the same number subtracting each other, we should get 0. All right, and that should be it. Okay, that's actually the final answer. So if we recognize this, we can use the rule here. We know we should get 0 here.